Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Smart Living. In today's video, I will tell you about the content or the videos which are on top by earning from YouTube. Well, the types of video that makes the most money on YouTube is the one that is most likely to go viral. This could be a funny video, a heartwarming video, or a video that is shocking or controversial. Whatever it is, it needs to be something that people will want to share with their friends and family. Well, dear friends, let's know that what kind of videos make the most money on YouTube. There are many different types of videos that can be successful on YouTube, but the ones that tend to make the most money are the ones that are able to capture the attention of viewers and keep them engaged. Some of the most successful videos on YouTube are those that are funny, creative, or informative videos that are able to evoke an emotional response from viewers are also likely to be successful. In order to make money on YouTube, it is important to create videos that are high quality and that people will want to watch. Things to consider when you want to make money on YouTube. There are a few things to consider when trying to make money on YouTube. The first is the type of video you make. The second is the way you monetize your channel. And the third is how you promote your videos. The types of videos that makes the most money on YouTube is the one that is most likely to go viral. This could be a funny video, a heartwarming video, or a video that is shocking or controversial. Whatever it is, it needs to be something that people will want to share with their friends. The way you monetize your channel is also important. You can make money on YouTube by displaying ads on your videos, partnering with brands, or by selling products or services. Finally, you need to promote your videos. You can do this by sharing them on social media, embedding them on your websites, or sending them to your email list. Well, if you want to make money on YouTube, you need to create videos that people will want to watch or share. YouTube niches that make the most money on YouTube. In order to make money with YouTube, you need to create videos that people want to watch. But what kind of videos make the most money? There are a few different types of videos that tends to do well on YouTube. Number 1, funny videos. Videos that are funny or entertaining. People are more likely to watch a funny or entertaining video than a dry informational video. If you can make your viewers laugh or keep them entertained, you are more likely to make money with YouTube. Number 2, informative videos. Videos that are useful or informative. People also watch informational videos on YouTube, especially if they are helpful or provide valuable information. If you can teach your viewers something new or help them solve a problem, they will be more likely to watch your videos. Well, number 3, viral videos. Sometimes a video will go viral, meaning that it gets a lot of views and shares online. If you can create a video that goes viral, you are likely to make a lot of money with YouTube. And on number 4, videos with celebrities. Celebrities are always popular on YouTube, and viewers are more likely to watch a video if a celebrity is featured in it. If you can get a celebrity to endorse your product or promote your video, you are likely to make more money. Well, number 5, product review. People often watch product reviews on YouTube before making a purchase. If you can create helpful, informative product review, you can surely make money on YouTube. And on number 6, music videos. Of course, music videos are always popular on YouTube, and they can be a great way to make money. If you can create a catchy, well-made music video, you may be able to make some money on YouTube. On number 7, we have tutorials. People also watch tutorials on YouTube, especially if they are helpful and informative. If you can teach your reviews how to do something new or solve a problem, they will be more likely to watch your videos. On number 8, we have travel videos. Well, dear viewers, travel videos are also popular on YouTube and they can be a great way to make money. If you can create interesting and engaging travel videos, you may be able to make some money on YouTube. On number 9, we have comedy sketches. Comedy sketches are also popular on YouTube and they can be a great way to make money from YouTube. If you can create funny, entertaining sketches, you may be able to make some money on YouTube too. On number 10, animated videos. Well, animated videos are also popular on YouTube. They can be a great way to make money if you can create well-made animated videos. Ways to make the most money from YouTube. There are a lot of different ways to make money from your YouTube channel. The most common way is to monetize your videos with ads. However, there are other ways to make money as well. In order to make money from your YouTube channel, you need to have a lot of viewers. The more viewers you have, the more money you will make. You can also make more money by creating longer videos. The longer the video, the more money you will make. Another way to make money from your YouTube channel is to sell merchandise. You can sell t-shirts, hats, and other merchandise with your logo or name on them. You can also sell products that you recommend on your videos. You can also make money from your YouTube channel by working with brands. You can get paid to promote or review products. You can also get paid to do a tutorial or demonstration. In order to make money from your YouTube channel, you need to be creative and find new and interesting ways to make money. There are many different ways to make money from your YouTube channel, and the best way to find out how to make money is the experiment. Try out different methods and see what works best for you. How to make money with your YouTube videos step by step. So let me tell you in details. On number 1, choose a profitable niche. Well, when it comes to making money on YouTube, the first thing you need to do is choose a profitable niche. This means that you need to find a topic or subject that people are interested in and that you can create videos about. That will generate a lot of traffic. Some of the most popular niches on YouTube includes fitness, cooking, beauty, and fashion. However, there are many other niches that can be profitable as well. You just need to find one that you are interested in and that you think you can create videos on it. Number 2, create high quality videos. When it comes to making money on YouTube, the quality of your video is key. People are not going to watch your video if they are not high quality. This means that you need to invest in a good profitable niche, in a good content, in an interesting content which will engage your viewers and which you have confidence that you can make a creative or interesting video about. Well, here are 6 key takeaways from making the most money on YouTube. Videos that are funny. On number 1, there are entertaining and funny videos. So the best way to make money on YouTube, you should make funny and entertaining videos. On number 2, we have videos that are informational or educational, also tend to do well on YouTube. Number 3, videos that are creative or unique often get a lot of views on YouTube. Number 4, videos that are controversial often get a lot of attention on YouTube. Number 5, you can monetize each niche in various ways and you should never limit yourself or just one method. Well, number 6, always search for new tips and ideas, unique tips and tricks to make your videos interesting. Well, dear viewers, for this question that what kind of videos make the most money on YouTube, and the conclusion is like we don't have one answer to this question. So the conclusion would be that there are so many different options which are known and unknown. So dear viewers, there is no one answer to this question since it varies greatly depending on the type of video you are making, However, some of the most popular and lucrative types of videos on YouTube include products review, tutorials, and comedy sketches, also travel videos. It is important to keep in mind what type of video will be most appealing to your target audience and produce content that is both informative and entertaining. Well, dear friends, that was a little tips and tricks for you guys to help you out if you are going to start a YouTube channel, or if you already run a YouTube channel but your YouTube earning is very low. So you can use these tips and tricks to just increase your earning on YouTube. Well, dear friends, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching me. If you like my video, please do share with your friends and family, and do subscribe for more. Take care. I will see you in next video.